तो अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। सो आज हम सबसे पहले बात करेंगे हमारे चैनल की। तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। तो आज हम बात करेंगे वेवर 3x4 HP Sump Pump 5880 GPH cost iron submersible sewage pump available at a lower price from other sellers that will not offer free prime shipping. Brand VEVOR. Color black. Material cast iron. Style protection thermal. Item dimensions length, width, height. Power source coded electric. Item weight 29 pounds. About this item: 3 into 4 HP power up your power for your pump. Our Savage pump can lift water vertically up to a height of 37 inches and moves water up to 5880 gallons per hour. The efficient copper motor with thermal overload protection and low noise ensures secure and excellent performance. It is a perfect to keep your basement dry during a heavy water flow like rain, snow melting. It is using your new Savage pump is gonna be a last designed to last. High quality materials are guaranteed for high quality results. The Savage ejector pump features a corrosion proof cast iron frame with a rust proof surface for a long lasting underwater use. It comes with an IPX8 waterproof rating and has achieved UL certification, so there is no need to worry about the quality. Choose how it runs. The piggy bank's power plug allows the piggy bank power plug allows the cast iron Savage pump to be used as an automatic and manual pump. The third plugin will automatically turn the pump on and off according to the water level. The pump will be controlled manually by the pumper plug when the piggy bank plug is removed. Automatic or manual, the choice is yours, designed just for you. Automatic or manual, the voice is you, choice is your or designed just for you. The water outlet diameter 2 inches and PT or submersible sewage pump easily passes solids up to 3 into 4 inches in diameter. It is equipped with a 10-foot power cord long enough for a hassle-free connection. Besides, the ergonomic handle makes it portable, adapt to any situation with ease. Assemble with ease. You will be ready to operate your pump in just 3 simple steps. Connect the water hose, then put it in the pit, plug it and work. The Savage and Efficient pumps are ideal for pumping water hose. Then put it in the pit, plug it and work. The Savage and Efficient pump are ideal for pumping water away from your sewage tank and protect your property from flooding. Savage will never bother you again. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Lead a comfortable life, high speed drainage, 3 into 4 HP. Drainage pipe, electrical outlet, 10-foot power cord, concrete flooring, sewage basin, portable handle, sturdy cast iron base, NP to discharge, load with non-clogging vertex impeller. Voltage 120 watts, 60 Hz horsepower, 3 to 4 HP, amps, 10A max lift, 37.11 m max flow, 98 GPM. Discharge 2 inches NPT, input power 1050 watt. Pass solid max 3 to 4 inches 2 centimeter. Water temperature 22 minus 95 degree Fahrenheit, 0 minus 25 degree Celsius. Max flow 98 GPM. Production type IPX8. So this is the picture of this pump. Another panda baby, calm down, calm down. So if you like our video तो हमारे चैनल को like करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।